Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create TikTok business account. Now let's begin. Open TikTok if you already have not. Then go to the profile section. On the top right corner of the profile section, you will see 3 lines. Simply click on it and go to Settings and Privacy. In the Accounts tab, go to Account. Scrolling through, we can see something like Switch to Business Account. Let's select that and simply click on Next and input data wherever relevant. You can add your email, but for now I'm gonna skip it, and we can add the bio. Let's hit confirm, and it is asking me to create a video, maybe later. Well guys, that is how you create a TikTok business account. Hope you found this video useful, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.